Well, it's a rainy day in northeastern Pennsylvania, and Lord knows I love Star Wars action figures. Today, in this day and age, the $1 capeless, saberless Darth Vader figure is omnipresent at flea fairs, garage sales. So today I scored one, and I'm going to restore that thing. I'm going to construct a new cape and put on a replacement lightsaber. So here is an original 1978 Darth Vader action figure that I've disassembled. Here is my $1 ready for the trash action figure from the flea market today that I got for $1. I'm going to start my restoration by giving him a little scrub under some warm water with a little dishwashing detergent. Not going to be too rough around the paint. Try to bring back a little sheen to Lord Vader. I'm in a sit kind of mood today. Looking better already. Then I made an acquisition at Family Dollar. I scored a 36-inch floaty for a pool in black. And I'll be harvesting my black vinyl for my new cape from it. And I'll make a surplus too. Utilizing the original cape as a template, I've cut out a blank. And now I'm going to cut out very carefully 2 holes for Darth to slip his arms through. I've reassembled my original Darth Vader, and now to complete my flea market find today, I went to my weapons stash, my Star Wars weapons stash, and found a replacement Darth Vader saber. I'll lubricate that a hair, and I'll carefully reinstall a new saber into my flea market find. Being careful not to break the tip off the new saber. I'm going to run over to my cabinet, grab a stand, and that'll round out my restoration of my $1 flea market find, Lord Vader. Thanks for watching. I love Star Wars figures.